Go ahead. Well, the bottom part's going in.
It's going.
Might have to turn it.
Okay, hold on, let's see now.
Oh, that side is going in too. It's just this side that needs to be pushed in.
Oh, that side stayed. So.
The guy that I was watching that I showed you, now you just got to kick that end in. Or stomp it. It's going. Maybe spray it with some more soap.
Maybe if you kicked it right here.
Yeah, maybe on the edge of the rim.
Wait a minute. Maybe that's not.
Because it's slowly making its way around all the way.
Maybe this is the right spot. Okay.
Well, don't fall now. It's slowly going. You need a second. He leaned it up against the car when he kicked it in, the guy that I watched. Maybe try it that way. Because it's only that little bit that needs to go in.
Alright.
Here, maybe it's losing its slipperiness. For the guy that I watched, that video I showed you guys, how he was changing the tire from one rim to the other, and how he popped it off, is he had a 2x4 that he had like a slant on, and and he put the 2x4 on the tire and took the other truck and rolled it on there, and that's how he popped the tire off, because he was changing rims. He said, I don't have all that fancy mechanical stuff, but this is how you can do it. Cold in Wisconsin. You ready?
Hold on a second. Try this one. Nope, that actually looks like it took it off something.
All right, Dom, you ready?
Try that once. If it doesn't
It's
go,
just that little bit that needs to get up there.
I wonder if the air thing would actually pump it back on there now.
It's slowly going. The gap on this, the gap on this side is getting smaller. Excuse me. The epitome of backyard mechanicking. Stomp your tire back into place. This is what it is when I say on YouTube that we're backyard mechanics. This is what backyard mechanic looks like.
Well, maybe that'll do. I was gonna have my big...
Too bad you could have just somehow kick it right here in the rim. Dom, like angle your foot just right.
I wonder if we set it down completely and then just jumped up on it. Kind of just like that.
I don't know.
Yeah, you could give it a try that way and see. I would probably
God.
just get the air in there and start seeing.
Well, the air pump's in the house. You want to just try to finish kicking it in there? And God damn, every time somebody has an idea or a thought, maybe take that log out of there. Maybe try to. It's going. The gap is closing up, babe. It's almost there. Babe. Let your anger out. It's almost there. God dang. Cold in Wisconsin.